I'm out here working on the car. These guys want to drive by here in their truck. What business do you have? What is your name? What's your license plate number? You have no reason to stop in front of my house. Huh? You have no reason to stop in front of our home. I'm going to call the sheriff. I've got your license plate.
Good. Don't ever fucking flip me off again.
No one's flipped you off.
You just flipped me off.
You need to quit shooting by our home. Were you in the white Chevy truck? The game warden would like... You were in the white Chevy truck?
That was me.
That was you in the white Chevy truck.
You got a problem with it?
No, the game warden wants to speak with you. Now, who's flipping who off, sir? You're... Hey, we've got your license plate. I'm out here working on the car, trying to rotate the tires, and I can't even... I try to come out here. The children are over here, just in front of our house. I'm out here, not armed, out here. Here's someone else here. Come on, guys, go back around back. I told you someone stopped to go in, okay? And tell your mother, all right? What are you doing?